Would you cycle through Vietnam's most beautiful mountains, completely on your own? No tour bus, no crowded groups, just you, your bike, and endless mountain views. Start in Mai Chau, where peaceful valleys and traditional villages feel frozen in time. Ride through Phu Luang Nature Reserve, surrounded by rice terraces and hidden mountain roads. With GPS routes and luggage transfers included, all you need to do is pedal. Every turn reveals another incredible view that most tourists never see. Sleep in local villages, enjoy authentic food, and wake up ready for the next adventure. Would you do this ride? Comment Vietnam below and follow for more cycling adventures.
Now we ride in Hoa Binh Hydropower Lake, a hidden gem of northern Vietnam. Hoa Binh Hydropower Lake is one of the largest artificial lakes in Vietnam, located in Hoa Binh, about 80 kilometers southwest of Hanoi. The lake was created after the construction of the famous Hoa Binh hydropower plant on the Da River. Covering an area of more than 8,000 hectares, it stretches through spectacular mountains and valleys, creating breathtaking scenery often compared to a miniature Ha Long Bay. Cycling from Mai Chau to Phu Luang Nature Reserve is one of the most scenic bike rides in northern Vietnam. The route winds through peaceful valleys, traditional Thai villages, and endless rice fields surrounded by limestone mountains. Riders enjoy quiet country roads, bamboo forests, and stunning terraced fields that change color with the seasons. Along the way, friendly local people greet cyclists with warm smiles, adding to the authentic rural experience. As you approach Phu Luang, the landscape becomes even more dramatic, with rolling hills, water wheels, and breathtaking mountain views around every corner. It is a truly unforgettable cycling adventure.
Across the cruise road, warm acoustic guitar, baby, will I take the time? Study mid-tempo groove.
How are your legs holding up? They're burning, but it's worth it. Alright everyone, let's get ready to roll.
Cycling from Phu Luang to Ninh Binh. Cycling from Phu Luang to Ninh Binh is one of the most beautiful and rewarding bike routes in northern Vietnam. This journey takes riders through a stunning landscape of limestone mountains, rice paddies, rivers, and traditional villages. The route offers a perfect combination of scenic countryside, cultural experiences, and quiet rural roads. Leaving Phu Luang Nature Reserve, cyclists ride through peaceful valleys surrounded by terraced rice fields and lush green forests. Along the way, you will pass small villages where local Thai and Hmong ethnic communities continue their traditional way of life. Friendly locals, water wheels, and buffalo grazing in the fields create unforgettable memories. As the route approaches Ninh Binh, the scenery gradually changes into the spectacular karst landscape often called Ha Long Bay on land. Towering limestone cliffs rise dramatically from emerald rice paddies, creating some of Vietnam's most iconic views. Quiet back roads lead cyclists through charming villages and alongside tranquil rivers.
We are right here.
Perfect, let's go.